Hi everyone and welcome back to the self-healing series video number 6 and last time हमने बात करी थी about the discomfort of healing. उसके बाद का ये first ऐसा step है जहाँ पे you'll finally start seeing results of what exactly? Many things. आपने जो journey तय करी from the step 1 up till the step 5, step 6 is like hope. Step 6 is like an optimistic acknowledgement of things starting to change. This is the place where अभी तक की पूरी मेहनत का आपको फल start होता हुआ दिखाई देगा. You haven't come to the stage where you can integrate it all. That is the next step. But this is the place where the first signs of positivity will start to emerge. But there's always a but as most people know healing to be, ठीक है, लोगों को लगता है कि healing, this word is very, oh my god, crystals and tarot and all the beautiful smelling oils and yoga and everything. So ये सब जो है, this is, I'll say, a beautiful face to the science. But in actuality, healing is as good as clearing out a sewage pipeline. Healing yourself. I'm talking about self-healing. सालों का इकट्ठा किया हुआ कचरा, emotional कचरा, emotional belief, emotional systems, psychological beliefs, psychological systems, bodily and somatic beliefs, bodily systems, इन सब का जो भी जहाँ जहाँ पे इन चीज़ों के blockages मिलेंगे, that is like a sewage pipeline getting stopped. And imagine the amount of rotting that has happened in that place. That is why it is important to clear these passages. That is one way I like to interpret healing as. Healing is not a beautiful process. Healing is the messiest thing that one can try to undergo. And जाहिर सी बात है, बहुत लोगों को ये पसंद नहीं आएगा, इसलिए वो ये चीज़ करते भी नहीं है, क्योंकि डिफ़िकल्ट है ना खुद के साथ बैठना, खुद का ये सब पूरा चिट्ठा निकालना, खुद के साथ ट्रू रहना, खुद के साथ ऑथेंटिक रहना, दूसरों के साथ ऑथेंटिक रहना. दिस इज डिफिकल्ट. सो नॉट एवरीवन इज एबल टू डू इट. बट व्हेन यू डू, you come to the step 6, which I'm calling a new hope. Because when you start seeing yourself in a way that okay, I started a change and is starting to receive results, मैंने पहली बार अपने आप को ये चीज़ की तरफ पॉजिटिवली रिस्पॉन्ड करते हुए महसूस किया है, the rush you get at that point is out of this world. Nobody can feel that for you. ठीक है, तो ये जो स्टेप है, this is the first signs of you finally getting it right, of all the hard work paying off, and a hope that whatever you've been through and whatever you were supposed to learn out of it, it is starting to finally pour in. ठीक है, so ये वीडियो ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं रहेगा, but ultimately the aim to tell you this is there is hope. Okay, and one small thing or one card which came to my mind while I was preparing or thinking about creating this video was the star card from the tarot deck. क्योंकि जब मैं ये सोच रही थी, this card flashed like anything, and if you try to read what is written over here, it says hope, optimism, replenish, pay it forward, spiritually or emotionally restored or healed. सो इसकी जो एनर्जी है और स्टेप नंबर 6 की जो एनर्जी है, जो बैलेंस की एनर्जी है, जो रिप्लेनिशमेंट की एनर्जी है, जो न्यू होप की एनर्जी है, अल्टीमेटली वी वर्कड हार्ड on ourselves from step number 1 up till step number 5 for this, right? So this is the step where you start receiving the rewards. There is something more coming up after this, which is step number 7, where I'll speak about the integration. कोई चीज़ का शुरू होना वर्सेस कोई चीज़ का इंटीग्रेट होना. दो अलग बातें. So we'll discover that in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are finding sense in this series. If you have any questions, you can always reach out. Thank you.